everybody, my name is Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this prom makeup look for you all using affordable products. If you still need a prom date, hello. Just kidding, but I mean, hey. But while you're here watching this video, please subscribe and click that button down below, and also give me a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey everybody, so I already primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows. And I did my eyebrows. I got a new brow product. I used the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown. And I also set my eyebrows, which I've never done before, with the e.l.f. like clear gel eyelash and eyebrow gel. So far so good. And I also primed my eyelids with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Light. I'm also going to apply some tape, so be right back. Okay, so starting with the eyes, I'm gonna go into this Jaclyn Hill palette. I guess I wouldn't really say it's affordable, but I just feel like everyone and their grandmother like has this eyeshadow palette. So I feel like maybe a lot of you can relate. I'm only going to be using 2 colors from this palette, which can easily be found in like a lot of palettes. So I'm going to dig into this color right here. There are names for these shadows, but I don't know them off the top of my head, and I missed the paper that it came in. I'm just going to put that in my crease. To continue, I'm going to take this black color, and this black color is extremely pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with the light hand at first and build up the black color on my outer corners. So I'm just going to lightly start building up the color in my outer corners. It looks a little crazy right now, but once we blend, girl, I swear it's okay. So going back in with the blending brush, I'm just really gonna blend out the edges because they're kind of harsh right now, and I want them to blend together. Going back in with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take that first color we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to just put this in my crease again, just to, because we kind of lost it with blending. So we're just gonna put it back in there. I'm also going to put a little bit more of that black color again in my outer corners, just to darken it up a little bit more. And blend again, honey. So this next step is really important. I'm going in with NYX's Glitter Primer because we are going to be going in with the loose glitter, and you want your eyelids to have a good base of something sticky, like a primer like this or any other glitter primer that you have. You want the glitter to have a good base to stick to, and so it will actually stay there. And especially, it's prom, you're gonna be out dancing, and you don't wanna be having glitter flying everywhere. So yes, we're just gonna put this on my eyelids. Just pat it on, and it will go on. So for glitter today, I am going to be going in with NYX's Glitter Brilliance in the color Glee 10. So what I'm going to do is just pour it into the cap. Going in with the flat top brush, I'm just going to stick it into the cap, get some on my brush, just start sticking it on my lid or wherever you want glitter. Okay everybody, so I went ahead and applied false lashes, I took off my tape, and I applied winged liner, and I also used mascara. And the products that I used were NYC's liquid black eyeliner, like I told you guys in my last makeup tutorial. I freaking love this eyeliner, and it's so affordable. And I use it so much that like the writing's off. And for mascara, I used CoverGirl's Lash Blast Volume Mascara in black. I did want to talk about one thing, that with the loose glitter, I suggest doing your eye makeup first because this glitter does fall out, and I wiped it off with just a brush. Well, moving on to face makeup, I'm going to prime with Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm. And I'm just going to rub this in until it feels tacky on my skin. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Beige, and I'm going to mix in a little bit of Desert Beige, the same foundation, just because I am a little bit tanner and I'm not exactly as light as this color, but I'm not as dark as the other one. So we're just gonna mix them together. Putting it all over. I'm going to blend this foundation in using this Wet n Wild foundation brush. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with, again, Maybelline's Instant Adrian Wine Concealer. And I'm just going to put some concealer under my eyes. And we're gonna blend that out using this Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Beauty blender, whatever. Next, I'm going to bake under the eyes using the RCMA Translucent Powder. So just going to bake under the eyes. Around my nose. Chin. And my forehead. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to dig into my excess powder and just go around town. So while this powder is baking, I'm going to go in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze up my whole face. I don't really contour or anything just because I don't really know how to yet. Something I'm still, I guess, wanting to do, but just haven't really found a technique for me yet. So I just bronze up my whole skin. For blush, I'm going in with Milani's Romantic Rose Powder Blush. And this blush is just such a good blush. It's so just the perfect everyday blush. I love it. Just such a good blush for like a natural look or any kind of look, honestly. And I'm just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm just wiping away the extra powder and just blending that into my skin. Next is my absolute favorite part, and that is highlight. I'm going in with Wet n Wild's highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. And we are going to light up these cheeks, baby. So I highlight the high points of my cheeks, down my nose, my cupid's bow. I'm also gonna put this highlighter on my brow bone. So for lips, I'm going in with Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick in the color Rebel Rose. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face using the Wet n Wild's Natural Finish Photo Focus Setting Spray. And from my knowledge of prom, when I went, I was sweating. And the only thing that stayed well was my face makeup, because you gotta set the shit out of it, y'all. You have to. Woo! Alright everybody, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And first off, I want to say happy prom. I hope you have a safe and happy prom. Take lots of pictures. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!